I am so excited to show you this sight word tracker. I believe it's going to give you hours of time back with a simple setup of typing or pasting your class list and a click of a few buttons. This tracker will automatically track your students and class progress and mastery of sight words. Perfect if you are tracking sight word growth for a SMART goal. Clicking Create Tabs will make a new tab for each student with the template, and data is added to the dashboard from each student page. On the student page, you'll track what your student knows by typing anything in a cell. It counts as a word known. Baseline data is used to create an individualized student goal. You can see that Darth Vader, R2-D2, and Luke all have different goals based on their initial assessment. As data is added each month, the status will change from working to met if the student has met the goal. There's also a percentage calculation that will figure out each month the percentage of students who've met their goal. But wait, there's more! At the request of classroom teachers, they wanted to see the known, unknown words of their entire class at a glance. So here are the monthly tabs that show all students on the roster and the words they know. That's it. A few clicks and you've got data at your fingertips. This purchase also includes auto-advancing slides to use as an assessment tool and printable word cards for student practice. Check it out. I hope you love it as much as I do.